YouTube, man? Hey, we back here with another video, bro. Hey, so today's the day we take the car to the mechanic, man. So we go get that motherfucker swapped with this Supercharged, man. Pontiac Grand Prix 2006. Yeah, so like I said, y'all watched the last video, I officially bought a Supercharged GT Pontiac Grand Prix. Yeah, y'all should know if y'all watched the last video. And I'm finna get it supercharged and get that motherfucker together, man, so I can switch it into my Pontiac right here, bro. This is my baby right here. So yeah, I'll probably keep this and put the 3.8 in here. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. People say I should do it, or I'll probably just keep it. Like I said, or, you know, sell it, keep it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna pull it with the big truck right there. Get this motherfucker going, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Straight up. Straight. Yeah, just straight up. Straight up in there. Wait a minute, because that bumper looks like this shit's gonna goddamn scrape against this.
Yeah, that thing. That black piece down there. Yeah, I really don't. Oh.
Huh? No, not even yet. That bumper, I'm telling you. Unless you won't have to try to reverse. Ooh. You ain't on the flat piece yet.
Alright.
You sit on them little. You gotta get it up there. Get it up there. Ooh, you gotta go.
Yeah. Man.
Yeah, shit, it's like.
Yo.
Yeah,
Yeah, but alright, no,
like
you got a little more.
Coming up there. Yeah, some more. Alright, yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah, you talking about this flat piece down here?
I'm talking about the metal, yeah.
I think it's down there. Yeah, you talking about down there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go up some more. You talking about this?
You go all down?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
This is my side. How much space is it?
You got a little more.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Huh? No, I'm right. There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, that's it right there. They both flat, that the thing down, it's clamped on there. You good to go, man. You good to go.
Let's go, YouTube. So today's that, man. We go drop off this motherfucking car. Now, you know, I ain't gonna record me getting there because that's just doing too much, man. That's doing too much. We're just gonna take this motherfucker to get it, you know, get that supercharged, man. Y'all already know, man. This is a video, man. And today's the day, man. Took out the engine and all that. So, you know, the other Pontiac, like I said, that's at the junkyard. That motherfucker gone. So you go to your local junkyard, go find that motherfucker. I took the trans, obviously, and I took the radiator. Yeah, but yeah, man. Today's the day. Take her up there, man. Y'all see the back? I just record shit in the back. But yeah, let's get a cold start. Last 3800. I know y'all ready. I'm ready.
Shit, the $100 that they gave me almost covered you.
Oh, deal?
For parts.
Parts? Man. Right, because ain't you got still put coolant and all that?
I ain't put that in
So,
yet.
so with this smoke, because there's oil, because I still see the oil right there.
Well, basically, the motor came out of that car.
All right. Bro.
So it ain't like the whole time, like detail.
Right, yeah. So you're gonna keep smoking until, obviously, if that's stop.
I don't think this motor's gonna smoke. Gonna have it ready, did you?
No, not really. Bro, I thought it was gonna be like tomorrow or one of these days.
I had you on hold and you waited patiently like a motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
People get, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
When
they
people
want-
wait patient with me, I go this stream.
Oh, yeah, far. I appreciate it, man, for sure. Man, I'm gonna do so much just to get this engine in here. Not so many ways, baby. We got it. Let's get it.
You on your blog?
Yep, got that for YouTube. Do it for YouTube. What happened?
I don't like people blogging. That's what, you know what I'm saying? Motherfucking haters.
Go YouTube, man. So yeah, man, made it back home. We got the tongue. But y'all see she running rough as fuck. Look at all that smoke. That's what we going through right now. So yeah, cause obviously, I had tune before, but the motherfucker, I also gotta check the engine light now. Like, my shit was tuned, cats off, all that. So, see fuel system, see O2 user. Oh man, that ain't got nothing to do with it. Alright, let's see what's wrong with this motherfucker, bro. I hear that shit, she sounding rough as fuck. So I gotta get a retune, bro. What am I doing, bro? Okay, front codes. So long front codes. Random multiples. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. What the fuck? So I guess we got misfires coming on. What the fuck? Why though? Weird. I'm guessing because we need a tone, or it could be that module, but I don't know, bro. Like I said, we got the supercharger, bro. I get that motherfucker, man. We got a supercharger, but I do need a tune. So yeah, that's the problem. Obviously, I need a tune. What I'm trying to see is just these modules or this module. I don't think it's the module though. Y'all know last time we had that issue with the module. But that was when the car wasn't starting. We have a multiple misfires, so I don't know what that is. But yeah, y'all, she run good. Obviously, she drive good. It's just I need a tune, so I can't really drive her how I want to drive her. So yeah, that's what we have issues with. But I'm about to show you again. Like when I hit on the gas, this motherfucker sound rough as fuck. So yeah, we got the supercharger. We good, man. Finally got that motherfucker. It's like it barely want to start, but the motherfucker can't start. So, or I say rev. it stank too. Which of course it's gonna stink, but I don't know, man. Something wrong with this motherfucker. I gotta get it tuned, like I said. So yeah, that's where we at right now. But we got it, man. We got Supercharged, man. We've been through so much, man. I'm hot as fuck. Shit, got work. Shit. But yeah, I wish I could, so I can get Supercharged, y'all. But I do gotta go back and get my pulleys, and go back and get my belt, and go back in general. So get my 180 thermostat again, and put my KN in, and get my my little thing. So that's probably gonna be a whole nother video of mods with the Supercharger. So that's a whole nother video. But right now we got the motherfucking stall. I'm trying to decide, do I want to record it, get in tune? Y'all let me know. Should I record it, get in tune? Y'all let me know, man. But yeah, that's all right now, man. But like I said, man, I appreciate y'all. Yeah, I see the subscribers, man. I see that video, man. That video, that motherfucker went crazy, man. What the fuck? Like, damn. But I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, we going. The more we get to these motherfuckers, well, not even motherfuckers, my bad. The more we get to these people, man, like, we gonna show them what this motherfucker do. Cause we got people that hate on us. I don't know why, but I don't give a fuck. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, shawty. Y'all stay tuned. But yeah, yeah, y'all. Stay ready for that tune, man. I already paid the dude. My tuner gonna tune this motherfucker. But yeah, in that case, Marty J signing out, nigga.